Hi, my name is Dr. David Schmuckler. I am the owner of Kennett Chiropractic Center and author of the book Outsmart Your Fork, A Mindful Guide to Permanent Weight Loss. In April of 2006, I suffered a severe stroke and was totally paralyzed on my right side and had great difficulty speaking. I also suffered from severe depression after my stroke. When I could not move my right arm and right leg, my neurologist told me to visualize my arm and leg were moving. By visualizing my right arm and leg were moving, I was rewiring and retraining my brain. This rewiring has a fancy name called neuroplasticity. I used the power of neuroplasticity to make a full emotional, mental, and physical recovery from my stroke. Your brain rewires your entire life. If you do new and novel things, you will make new healthy connections. The more you practice these new activities, the healthier your brain becomes. Most people who suffer from lower back pain have a pain that is caused by muscle strain. Muscle strains usually heal in a few days to a week. If you have lower back pain that lasts more than 3 or 4 days and is not improving, you should see your medical doctor or chiropractor. If you have pain or weakness in your legs, changes in bladder or bowel function, or if you have a fever, this requires more urgent attention. No imaging studies are recommended for the first 6 weeks after suffering from lower back pain, unless there are red flags such as neurological symptoms, including weakness or loss of feeling in one of your legs. Initial treatment for lower back pain that is due to muscle strain is rest, ice, and anti-inflammatory medications. You should not sit too much because this puts the most load on the lower back. The most comfortable sleeping position is the fetal position with your hips and knees bent and lying on one side. Most back strains will resolve quickly, usually in less than a week. If you suffer from lower back pain which is not improving, give me a call at 610-925-0444. I have extensive postgraduate training in neurology and have helped thousands of patients suffering from lower back pain. The key to treatment is to have an accurate diagnosis of what is causing your lower back pain. Please give me a call at 610-925-0444 or go to kennettchiropractic.com for more information. Thank you.